Rosedale International Education hosted the inaugural Global Student Success Forum on October 19th and 20th, 2022. We're proud to share the outcomes from this inaugural event that cultivated student growth from high school to higher education. The event hosted 7,094 attendees, comprised of Rosedale Global High School students, global education practitioners, and staff at leading universities, including an additional 10,000 attendees streaming externally. On October 19th, participants heard from Chantal Leclerc, Executive Director of the Council of Ministers of Education in Canada, and Dr. Mandy Savitz-Romer, Senior Lecturer in Human Development and Education at Harvard University. The high caliber of speakers continued throughout both days of the Global Student Success Forum, with representatives from more than 35 global top 100 universities. On October 19th, we were proud to provide 4 concurrent panel sessions with expert panelists exploring topics such as the admissions and recruitment process, academic integrity, career planning and experiential programs, and the student perspective on transition into higher education. Participants engaged in 7 guidance counselor workshops hosted by elite university representatives. On October 20th, the Elite University Student Recruitment Fair offered Rosedale Global High School students opportunities to hear from recruiters at global top 100 universities in student workshops. 124 students earned the exclusive experience of connecting with elite university representatives in private one-on-one recruitment meetings. All students had access to 66 group sessions to connect with university representatives. Hear what these students said about their event experience.
Hi, today we have the one-on-one meeting with Elite University's recruiter, and it was really nice to know more about them.
We had the opportunity to talk with them and ask about the universities and how the university life works, and about their culture and about the courses.
Now I know more how I'm going to decide the things that I'm going to do in the future.
Rosedale International Education is committed to providing life-changing learning outcomes for our students around the world. Your participation was integral to the success of this inaugural event. Thank you for your support of Rosedale Global High School students. You can replay sessions from the event through the event platform or on our official YouTube channel. Save the date for October 25th and 26th, 2023, where we'll continue to cultivate student growth and success from high school to higher education.